Turn off GOAT before replacing the blade. Fit the protective cover on the panoramic camera. Turn the nut of the GOAT's signal receiver counterclockwise to lower the receiver. Turn GOAT over and place it on a soft, flat surface. Please make sure you always wear protective gloves. Use blades manufactured by ECOVACS and new screws. Loosen the screws with a screwdriver. Remove the screws and the blade. Fit the new blade horizontally and secure it with the screw. Make sure the blade rotates smoothly without getting stuck. Grasp the hook on the old camera brush and pull it out. Slide the new camera brush into place along the slot. A click indicates that the brush is fitted into place. Grasp the beacon and navigation-assisted pole with each hand and rotate until the outer raised section of the beacon aligns with the groove in the inner wall of the navigation-assisted pole. Remove the beacon from the navigation-assisted pole. Turn the upper part of the beacon counterclockwise to remove the beacon. Remove the battery and replace it with a new one. Fit each battery with the negative electrode lower than the positive electrode. Clean the blade disc, and the gaps with a brush or cloth. Check that the blade and the blade disc rotate smoothly. Remove mud from the off-road wheels and the front wheels with a brush to make sure the wheels have a good grip at all times. Wipe the parts on GOAT with a clean, dry cloth. This includes the panoramic camera, front AI camera, the stop button, the charging contacts, the control panel, the reflective film inside the station, and the charging contacts on the edge of the station. If the GOAT won't be used for a long period of time in winter, we recommend that after cleaning and maintenance you store the GOAT and related accessories in a cool, well-ventilated, dry place away from direct sunlight. When you come to use the navigation beacon again, make sure each navigation beacon is installed at the position of last use, otherwise may result in positioning errors and invalid mapping. You can tap each navigation beacon on the map of the main screen in the app to confirm the position of navigation beacon based on the string displayed.